In this video, we will show you how to use the Link Validator tool in Webcourses at UCF. It is important to ensure all links, internal and external, within your course are valid and accessible. Broken links can lead to frustration for students and disrupt the learning flow. Webcourses at UCF's Link Validator is a built-in tool that scans your course content, published and unpublished, to identify invalid or unresponsive links. To run the Link Validator tool, go to Settings in your course navigation menu. On the Course Details page, locate Validate Links in Content in the right sidebar menu. To begin the scan of your course, click the Start Link Validation button. You have the option for the tool to scan unpublished content. If broken links are found in the course, the Link Validator will display the number of broken links and list specific pages with those links. Broken content is identified as either an image or a link. Non-existent content means the object is invalid and should be replaced. Unreachable objects mean the image cannot be displayed. To fix broken links, click the content item and update the link. Once you've made your edits, rerun the Link Validator to confirm everything's working smoothly. If the Link Validator does not detect any broken links in your course, Webcourses at UCF may display a celebration. Thank you for watching this video on the Link Validator tool in Webcourses at UCF. For additional support, please visit cdl.ucf.edu/support.